Hello students, these are the questions from the carboxylic acid chapter for the examination NEET, JEE and CBSE board, CBSE 12 board. Okay, the first question is acetamide is basic, acidic, amphoteric or neutral, which one? So it is amphoteric. So how it is amphoteric? It is amphoteric like when it reacts with base, it will give you the salt. So what is the base? You can take CH3, CONH2 plus base mercury oxide. It will provide you CH3, CO, NH2, NH twice Hg. Okay, plus water. So this is the reaction with base. Can it react with acid? Yes. CH3, CO, NH2 plus acid like HCl, and the reaction will be CH3, CO, NH2 dot HCl. So this is salt and this is also salt. Acid amide hydrochloride. Okay. Second question. The second question is which of the following ester does not undergo Claisen self-condensation? So for Claisen self-condensation, the ester must have alpha hydrogen. That is ester nearest the ester group. See this carbon atom and carbon containing hydrogen. So which one is not having? You see this is having alpha hydrogen, this one is having alpha hydrogen, and this one is having alpha hydrogen, but there is no alpha hydrogen atom. So B is the correct answer. Next question. Acetyl chloride is reduced to acetaldehyde by which? In the chapter aldehyde chapter, we already discussed with the video, that is the reduction process. One reduction process I told you, that is reaction of in the presence of hydrogen, palladium, barium sulfate. This is known as Rosenmond reduction. Okay, we discussed already. Next question. Acetyl chloride cannot be obtained by treating acetic acid with what? So for preparation of acetyl chloride, acid have to react with SOCl2, thionyl chloride, PCl3 and PCl5, but there is no reaction with CaCl3. So choice A is the correct answer. Next question. Name the end product Z in the reaction. See, this is the acetic acid. When acetic acid reacts with ammonia, you will get ammonium acetate. Okay, you will get ammonium acetate. This ammonium acetate on heating, what you will get? Losing water molecule, that is CH3CONH2. And this CH3CONH2 treated with P2O5. This is also a dehydrogen agent. You will get a CH3CN, cyanide, alkyl cyanide or methyl cyanide or nitrile. Okay. Next question. The end product of, so the choice C is the correct choice. Next, the end product of Y. The end product Y of the reaction. So see, CH3O is methyl alcohol reacts with copper at 300 degrees centigrade. What you will get? So in the chapter aldehyde and ketone, we already discussed, it will give you the formaldehyde because one carbon atom is there. So formaldehyde, you will get formaldehyde. Then this formaldehyde reacts with sodium hydroxide. So two molecules of formaldehyde reacts with the sodium hydroxide. You will get what? The Claisen reaction. It is the Claisen reaction. So aldehydes not having alpha hydrogen giving the Claisen reaction. So this is your Claisen reaction. So the product is your sodium salt of carboxylic acid. You will get sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Okay. Next question. So how this reaction I will explain. See, question number 6. CH3OH copper at 300 degrees centigrade. The product is HCHO. So two molecules of HCHO will give you, in presence of sodium hydroxide, that is Claisen reaction, you have to get CH3OH plus HCOO, sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, students. Next question. Which of the following reagents reacts with acetamide to give amine? So this is your bromamide reaction, bromine with potassium hydroxide. This is the degradation product. One carbon atom will be less. So acetamide is having 2 carbon atoms and methylamine is having 1 carbon atom. The next question. When sodium salt of formic acid on strong heating followed by acid hydrolysis yields what? So sodium salt of carboxylic acid. To take sodium salt of carboxylic acid, HCONA, on strong heating, you will get what? Sodium salt of oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. On hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, you will get what? Oxalic acid. Okay, so this is the reaction. Okay, students. So the answer is C.